Steampod. So this is by L'Oréal Professional, and this is the Steampod 3.0. So here is the box for reference. You can actually get the Steampod on hair.com, so I'll leave the link below. The Steampod, if you don't know, it uses steam to straighten your hair, and so it's a lot better for your hair, and also your hair doesn't get as frizzy, and if you go out in the humidity, your hair won't get as puffy and frizzy. So I've used this a few times and I really like it, and the way I like to do my hair with this is almost like fake a blowout. So because the Steampod is quite wide, you can actually do many things with it, and also the edges are a little rounded, so you can really like fake a blowout. You can even curl your hair with this, or you can get like a really sleek straight look with this. So yeah, I really like it. Also, it has a rotating cord, so it doesn't get all tangled, and it also comes with a little comb here that you can actually remove. I actually like to keep the comb because it allows me to, like, I don't have to brush my hair as I straighten it, so that's very useful. And also, as I said, this Steampod uses steam to flat iron your hair, so you actually have to fill up this little water reservoir. Is that the word in English? You have to fill this up with demineralized water. You can't just use tap water because it will clog the little reservoir, so you need to use demineralized water that you can easily find at the grocery store. And then they also give you this little bottle so you can keep the water in there. Now, I can use the Steampod a few times before I have to refill it, so it's not like you have to refill it every single time, so that's quite nice. Okay, so now I will turn it on. So there's a few different heat settings, but I keep mine on 350 just because I feel like that's enough for my hair. So when it'll be ready, you'll see there's gonna be like steam coming out, but it's normal. It's the steam. And also there's arrows on the iron, and so that means you have to kind of straighten your hair following the arrows, if that makes sense. So this is just my hair natural. I recently got a haircut, so my hair feels so much better. And yeah, I just slept on my hair last night, so this is it. And yeah, so now I'm gonna straighten it, and I'm gonna start off with this little section. And when I flat iron my hair, I want like a blowout kind of look, and so what I do, usually I'll do one pass, and only one pass honestly straightens my hair pretty well. But then because I want that little flip towards the end, I sort of bring my hair towards my face, and I feel like that gives me, you see that little swoop, it gives me like a really nice little swoop. And so that's it. Honestly, it's so quick and so easy. My bottom layer is done. As you can see, like, it just makes your hair look really shiny and just sleek looking, but then you still get, I mean, I like the little swoop towards the end, so. Also, what I really like about the Steampod is that my hairstyle stays for a few days, and I don't have to touch up my hair as much, so that's really good. Okay, now for my bangs, I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna do that because it's my first time styling my hair since I got my hair cut. So I think I'll just go like forward. Is that nice? I think so. Okay. let me just go see in the mirror because I don't have a mirror in front of me. So I just want to see if I missed any spots. But it was so quick, not even, maybe like 12 minutes it took me to do my hair. And it's all done. And it looks super sleek and shiny. Okay, so this is the final look with my hair. I really like it. It's just so easy, so quick. And if you like that blowout look, it's just so easy to kind of control the swoop because you're kind of doing it yourself. And the little comb like really helps at making your hair super sleek and shiny, and like it doesn't tug on your hair or anything. I really love this look. I feel like it looks very sleek and put together mostly. I feel like, you know, I used to curl my hair all the time, and you know, I still love that look, but for like every day when I go to work, this is the kind of hairstyle I like because I just feel put together. You know, it looks good throughout the day, and yeah, I just really like it. And it just makes your hair feel like very supple and, you know, soft. So I really love that, and you can do a lot of things with it. So yeah, I really love this Steampod. As I said, you can get it on hair.com, so I'll leave the link below. Let me know if you've tried it, let me know if you like it, and let me know what kind of hair tutorials you would like to see next. I'll leave my hair playlist down below if you're interested, and you can also follow me on Instagram. It's at Zadori. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you very soon in a new one. Bye.